got those big blue eyes, drive me crazy, make me fantasize about you, baby, and you smell so.
Hey everyone, it's Lily, and today I have a video for you on tips and tricks for drawing and calligraphy. So let's get on with the video. The first tip of today's video is to listen to music while you draw. It really sparks your creativity and helps you think of what you want to draw. Some genres that I would recommend are lo-fi hip-hop and Vocaloid music. Although most of you probably don't know what that is, it's still fun to listen to, and I find that it helps my creativity. So now on to the next tip. The next trick I'll be sharing with you is that you should find inspiration. It can help you figure out what you want to draw and how you want to draw it. Of course, you don't need to copy exactly what you see, but it still helps, and I don't know what else to say, so just watch and we'll get to the next trick soon enough.
Woke up in your new apartment in your twin-sized bed. Coffee starting, don't remember much. All I know is that you talk too much. Time to go. Ba-ba-dum, ba-ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-ba-bum, ba-ba-dum. You've got those big blue eyes, drive me crazy, make me fantasize about you, baby, and you smell so sweet, like fresh picked daisies. Call me Dahmer, 'cause your heart's so tasty. Ba-ba-dum, ba-ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-ba-bum, ba-ba-dum. And I watched you break like glass you shattered. I said it's my mistake, I make things harder, so I tried my best to shut my mouth, but all the thoughts I hid dug their way out.
This next trick I have for you is fairly simple and it's very cliche, but it's to practice. Practice makes perfect, as you've probably heard, and yeah, it'll often take really long to master anything, or maybe it'll take forever. So yeah, there's always room for improvement, and practice is how to get there. So on to our last trick. My last and final tip is to have fun. As with anything, it's not really as fun unless you're having fun. I don't know, just don't take it too seriously and feel free to experiment. Also, that's the end of what I have to say, so feel free to like, subscribe, comment, and share. That's the end of what I have to say. You can finish watching me draw, or you can go watch something else. Bye!
Said you can't trust me, I said it's fine, because I'm not happy till I tell a lie. Now my bedsheets smell like your cologne, and in our separate worlds we sleep